It is officially shakedown run time, which we are dubbing the Shake and Break for 2023. We have the Jeep out finally. I know it's been a big rush to get it out here, and last night whipped up some fenders, got those thrown on there. Dyno session went really good. So what I'm gonna actually do real quick, I'm gonna throw those clips in either at the beginning of the video here. Jeep did good on the dyno. We melted a few plugs. Everything else, pretty normal. Ended up making 255 horsepower on 93 and like 250 foot-pounds of torque or so. But today we are up here at Doe Valley, which is in Windber, Pennsylvania. We have obviously my crawler out here. We have Alex's JL, and we're meeting up with our other buddy, Alex Benet, as well. He has a couple friends here too. So this video itself, not gonna be super talking heavy, but just a lot of wheeling. I'm gonna spend the majority of my time focused on just kind of breaking this thing in, learning the rig. Completely new build, you guys know that. So hope you guys enjoy this upload. Make sure to stick around and enjoy. See ya. just got back from lunch. Basically, we're all here in the parking lot. Round number 1 is complete. The Jeep made it the whole way back up here to the campsite on like 11.6 volts because the alternator died. So came back up here, had some food, ran into town, grabbed a alternator, got it all swapped on there, and everything is running good. So I think we are ready for round number 2. Got the whole gang ready, and we're gonna get back out here, hit some trails, keep shaking this Jeep down. Back out here in the garage real quick. Obviously I'm not dressed to wrench, but me and my wife are celebrating our 2-year wedding anniversary today. But I just want to take this time real quick to wrap the video up. First off, I want to thank all you guys for hanging out on YouTube for the last 2 years. I know a lot of you guys have followed me on Instagram for a while, but on YouTube, we've been building this Jeep for the last 2 years. It's done, but it's not. I still have a bunch of projects in the future that I want to do to it. Some big, a lot small, but we're going to be doing a new project soonish. I'm going to say probably end of summer, early fall. We'll go ahead and start phasing into something else. Can't guarantee it's going to be off-road related, but it's going to have an engine, it's going to have wheels. So look forward to that in the future. But want to thank all you guys again for the continued support, watching the videos, leaving comments down below and communicating with me. I appreciate that a lot. Shakedown run, huge success. Had a couple hiccups, and in the next video, we're actually going to be going through, made a small list there on the cardboard. We're going to be going through that list, getting this thing kind of tuned back up and ready for the next wheeling trip, which I think is in 2 to 3 weeks. So yeah, look forward to that video coming up soon. I'm going to try to film it this week so this thing is done and ready to go wheeling again. But hope you guys enjoyed this upload. Shakedown run was a success, and we will see you guys on the next upload soon. Later.